Whenever I tell people the modern economy can function without personal income tax, the first question is always how? Hi, I'm Sanjeev Jain, a physician with 2 doctorates, but my real passion is redesigning broken systems. I recently wrote a book called Loginomics, a new economic system for the 21st century. In this book, I argue that it is possible to have a system where the essentials can be financed without using personal income tax. To understand Loginomics, one has to recognize that a sovereign government does not operate like a household. In today's system, the government taxes people and then redistributes it again as goods and services. But Loginomics asks, what if essential goods and services could be financed directly through the banking system without requiring this endless cycle of taxation and redistribution? For example, imagine the government helping cover for basic utility. The government can directly deposit in the bank of the utility company and thus bypass payment to the citizen who then pays the utility company. More importantly, the funds can be obtained directly from the banking system without involving the taxpayer. In order to understand this idea, one has to recognize that the banking system already operates at multiple layers. One layer has the customer checking account, saving accounts, and other products that the customer sees while interacting with the bank. But the bank has a second layer of reserve which it uses to directly interact with the government. Thus, it is possible to create a money cycle very much like a water cycle which just goes round in circles and bypasses the taxation process. So, the real constraint for a sovereign government is not running out of money, but rather inflation. The circular system that I outlined can be designed in such a way that there is equilibrium and excess money supply is removed from the system. If you wish to learn more about this process, please read my book, Loginomics, the new economic system for the 21st century.